Today I'm showing you how to extend your C drive in Windows when you're running out of space. Let's get started. Important warning first. Before we begin, this process requires deleting another drive to create unallocated space. Make sure to back up all files from the drive you're about to delete, copy them to an external drive, USB, or another location. Once deleted, the data cannot be recovered. Step 1. Open Disk Management. Press Windows key plus R together, or right-click the Start button and select Run. Type disk mgmt.msc and hit Enter. This opens Disk Management. Step 2. Check for Extend Volume option. Right-click on your C drive and see if Extend Volume appears. If it's grayed out or missing, that means you don't have unallocated space next to the C drive. We'll need to create it. Step 3. Back up your data. Before proceeding, back up all important files from the drive you plan to delete. In this example, we're deleting the D drive. Copy everything to a safe location. Step 4. Delete the volume. Once your data is backed up, right-click on the drive you want to delete, in this case, D drive. Select Delete Volume. A warning will appear. Click Yes to confirm. The drive space now shows as unallocated. Step 5. Extend C drive. Now, right-click on your C drive again, and you should see Extend Volume should now be available. Click on it. A wizard will open, click Next, then click Finish. The unallocated space is now added to your C drive. Note: Windows Disk Management only extends partitions into immediately adjacent unallocated space on the right. In my case, a healthy recovery partition or data partition like D in between is blocking this, so the option to extend is still grayed out. And that's it. You've successfully extended your C drive and increased its storage capacity.